Uy, bagong toothpaste?
It's Freshpro, bagong toothpaste from Avon.
But I like the old one, Mommy. Mas maganda ba to?
Siyempre, it's got ultra cavity protection para ultra healthy ang ngipin.
Ang sarap naman ito. Gusto ko yung taste niya.
Meron siyang 360 fresh technology para sa long-lasting fresh breath.
Sabi dito, no triclosan. Is triclosan bad?
Hindi kasi safe gamitin ng triclosan for cleaning teeth. Hindi rin mabuti for your health.
Ibig sabihin, walang harmful ingredients ang Freshpro. So we're really getting the best care. Okay ah?
At hindi lang yon, may vitamin E rin for healthier and stronger gums.
Parang perfect itong family toothpaste, Mommy ah.
Because it delivers 10-in-1 protection and care. Para perfect din ang smiles.
New Freshpro, the perfect family toothpaste that gives you 10-in-1 tooth protection and care.